Musical Visionary. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagabalang pumalakpak. Wala pa rin. Hello, tao po! Anybody home? Visitors? Nakakaloka kayo yung mga babae, palakpak lang po, mapalahan po ng susuyan. Sa mga babae, sa mga lalaki, padyak lang. Ayan, anyway, we would like to welcome Sir Henry and friends. Welcome, nice to see you again. Mukhang pagod na pagod ka, Kuya Henry, ano nangyari? Ayan, also thank you so much for staying with us, sa ating mga kabayan. So you guys, mga bossing natin at the back, welcome po sa inyo sa ating mga girls. Thank you so much. Our foreign friends over here, welcome to you, sir. Are you alone? Alone? Oh. So, are you single? You're single? Oh. Ba't parang ayaw niya? Ayaw, anyway, sa ating mga kabayan over here, welcome po sa inyo. Of course, Sumar and Jomar, thank you so much for staying with us. Again, so you guys, do your request. Write in a piece of paper and the song will do. As long as you know the song, we're gonna play it for you guys. Kahit ano po yan, titirahin namin. Bago, luma, klase, kahit ano po, tinitira po namin kasi nagpapatira po ako. So, anyway, how